Yesterday, I did a video about the opportunity for AI consultant. At the moment, there's a lot of businesses out there, pretty much all businesses, who are wondering what the hell they're going to be doing with AI in the future. It's kind of the big thing right now, and it's a big opportunity. A lot of the big consulting groups like McKinsey are pivoting their businesses wholesale to work towards generative AI services. So in the last video, I was basically saying that if you have AI skills, if you know how to build, if you know how to deploy prompt engineering, then this is something you can potentially go and do for businesses as a consultant or as an advisor and do very well over the next couple of years. And I had a number of questions where people were asking me how to get clients and how I personally get clients. So there are two broad buckets here. There's going to be inbound marketing, and there's going to be outbound marketing. Inbound marketing is where clients or prospects, they come to you, they reach out to you. So I get maybe 5 to 10 people a day on LinkedIn and TikTok reaching out to me and saying, hey, can you come and do some AI work for us? And yes, it is that general. Now, obviously, that's fantastic because you're not necessarily doing any work to get those leads to come to you, but it requires a big upfront investment in time and money to get to that position. So I have been writing my newsletter for about a year. That's got 50,000 subscribers, and I've been working on the TikTok for about 5 months to bring it up to 100,000. So once that machinery is up and running, inbound marketing is fantastic because you get free leads, but it does take a long time. If you are just starting out, I recommend instead using outbound methods. That's when you go out to potential customers, potential clients, and say, hey, this is something that I do. And personally, the recommendation that I have here is that you don't go and try and sell them services immediately. You instead use an education play. A lot of companies don't know what they need to be doing with AI, so it's quite hard to immediately try to sell them on consultation services. Instead, what I recommend is you go in and you do a workshop or a training. This can be online or offline, but obviously offline is better because you actually get to meet them. And you talk to the team and you talk to the leadership about what kind of ways they could be using AI inside their organization. This allows you to come into a position of authority, and then you become the go-to AI consultant when they need to do implementation work further down the line. My vehicle of choice for this is the workshop. So I personally give workshops. I actually get paid to do them. So I get paid between $1,000 and $4,000 per hour to deliver the workshop. But then off the back of the workshop, I can then sell advisory and consultancy services. So that works out really well for me. So the recommended play would be for you to put together an educational workshop and to reach out to businesses in your local area in order to go and teach them about AI. You can either do this for free in order to open up leads and prospects for you to consult with, or you can get paid to do it. Obviously, early on, you're going to have to do it for free or low cost, but then as you build a reputation, you can charge more. And importantly, this allows you to open up the door and get clients for your consulting business. I do license my material for the workshop, so if you're interested in that, check the link in my bio. There is an application.